If you want to close all the tabs on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. For the first method, just open Safari, then tap on the three dots over here, and from this menu just select all tabs. And from here you can close the tabs manually by swiping the tabs to the left side, just like that. But if you have lots of tabs opened on your iPhone, this is not the most convenient option. Now to close all the tabs with one click, just go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just tap on Apps, and from this app list, just look for the Safari app, then tap on it. Now on this page, you will find the option of Clear History and Website Data. Just tap on it. Now from here, just enable Close All Tabs. Now if you do not want to clear the history of the Safari web browser, instead of All History or Today, just select Last Hour. And by doing that, you will only delete the history of the last hour. And after you have done that, then tap on Clear History. And once you do that, you will close all the tabs on your iPhone, just like that. And finally, you have the option to close all the tabs automatically. For the automatic option, just go back to Settings and tap on Apps. From this app list, just open Safari. And over here, you will find the option of Close Tabs. Just tap on it. Now, instead of manually, you can select after 1 day. And if you select after 1 day, your iPhone will automatically close all the tabs after 1 day. Or you can select 1 week. And by doing that, your iPhone will automatically close all the tabs after 1 week. And you also have the option of after 1 month. And this is how you can close all the tabs on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.